So the biggest thing I'll take away is definitely the workflow of the whole thing, from treatment planning it to planning it in the software to actually putting it into play at the practice. So when you kind of hear about it, you're not really sure how all that works, but coming here I can know what my first, second, and last step is when I go back to the office.
I had a fantastic experience here. You learn an awful lot, and it's all stuff that you can do on Monday morning. And what's even better, you bring your assistant, you don't have to train her to do it on Monday morning. It's done for you. She's going to be leading you around instead of vice versa. And that makes all the difference in the world.
Because it is so much information that we learn here this weekend, good information, that by having an assistant here learning their part of it, the doctor can really focus on what he or she needs to learn and being able to implement that part into the office when we get back.
Decided to take T-Bone's course, and it's fantastic. It really simplified everything we're doing. It looks so intimidating when you see it on your desktop, but as you walk through the process, it makes it so much easier. Very, very glad that we took the course, and I would definitely recommend it to others.
Well, what I got from the course is I wanted to learn how to use my cone beam to integrate it with the Serac and to be able to design the implant.
One of the biggest things we've taken out of this course is just to organize and be more time efficient, cutting down on things that we don't need to do and making sure that we definitely do the right steps in the right order, and just makes life so much more efficient.